In this video, we will learn how to evaluate some particular types of integral using the trigonometric substitution. In your integral, if you have an expression like this, square root of a square minus x square, then you will substitute this x by a sin theta. For example, here we have square root of 4 minus x square. So here a is 2 and we will substitute this x by 2 sin theta. If you have an expression like this, square root of a square plus x square, then you will substitute this x by a tan theta. For example, here we have square root of 9 plus x square. So a is 3 and we will substitute this x by 3 tan theta. Finally, if you have an expression like this, square root of x square minus a square, then you will substitute this x by a sec theta. For example, here we have square root of x square minus a square form. So here a is 4 and we will substitute this x by 4 sec theta. We will discuss few examples to clarify. You also need to remember these three formulas. These three formulas used frequently in calculus. In this example, we have an expression like square root of a square minus x square, where a is 2. So we will substitute x by 2 sin theta. So dx would be 2 cosine theta d theta. Now plug those back here, then you will get 2 sin theta square times square root of 4 minus 4 sin square theta, and this dx equals to 2 cosine theta d theta comes here. Now if you simplify and integrate, then you will get this line. This line is in terms of theta. Now we have to go back to our original variable x. Now if x equals to 2 sin theta, then x over 2 is sin theta. Now if you draw a right angle triangle, then sin theta means opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is x and hypotenuse is 2. Now if you use Pythagorean theorem, then you will get the adjacent as square root of 4 minus x square. Square root of 4 minus x square. Cot theta equals to adjacent over opposite. So cot theta would be square root of 4 minus x square over x plus c. In this example, we have an expression like square root of x square plus a square, but here the coefficient of x square is not 1. Here we have 9. So first step would be to make the coefficient of x square is 1. Now to do that, we factor out 9 and it becomes x square plus 1 over 9. Now if this 9 comes out of square root sign, then it becomes 1 over 3. And now the coefficient of x square becomes 1. So now it becomes square root of x square plus a square, where a is 1 over 3. And we can substitute this x by 1 over 3 tan theta. So dx would be 1 over 3 sec square theta d theta. And if you plug those values here, then you will get this line. And if you simplify, then you will get this line. Now x equals to 1 over 3 tan theta. X equals to 1 over 3 tan theta. So 3x becomes tan theta. Now if you draw a right angle triangle, then tan theta means opposite over adjacent. So opposite is 3x and adjacent is 1. Now if you use Pythagorean theorem, then you will get the hypotenuse as square root of 1 plus 9x square. Square root of 9x square plus 1. So sec theta means hypotenuse over adjacent, that means square root of 1 plus 9x square, and tan theta means opposite over adjacent, which is 3x plus an arbitrary constant c. For this example, we have an expression like square root of x square minus a square, where a is square root of 3. So we will substitute this x by square root of 3 sec theta. So dx would be square root of 3 sec theta tan theta d theta. Now since we are using the substitution method, we also need to change the limit. So our old limit was from square root of 3 to 2. Now our new variable is theta. So when x is square root of 3, x is square root of 3, then if you solve for theta, then you will get theta equals to 0. And when x is 2, then you will get theta equals to pi over 6. Now plug this value here, then you will get 0 to pi over 6, 0 to pi over 6, square root of 3 sec square theta minus 3 over square root of 3 sec theta times this one. Now if you simplify, then you will get the answer as 0.0931. For definite integral, if you use the substitution method and change the limit to the new variable, then you do not have to go back to the old variable, because we are transforming our old variable to the new variable theta. And this is the correct answer. Thanks for watching.